Dear shareholders, I do not need to tell you that ACCIONA Energía is my great personal and professional commitment, and that the company's listing on the stock exchange is one of the most important strategic decisions in the recent history of the company. 2021 will go down in the history of ACCIONA Energía as the year we took a giant step towards our overriding objective for over 30 years, to become a global renewables player capable of leading the transition to a decarbonized world. Once again, we are successfully overcoming the challenge thanks to everyone's hard work and commitment. Being listed on the stock exchange is not the ultimate aim. It is a step towards preparing the conditions for a new start, a new challenge, to drive the biggest growth plan in our history. Backed up by a high-quality pipeline. Once again, doing our best individually to contribute to the collective effort as the best guarantee of success. Completing projects already underway and driving new ones. Intensifying our sales effort to achieve greater client loyalty, covering new business niches, and targeting new market segments. Sealing strategic alliances. Making a commitment to the planet and its inhabitants on a daily basis, following a sustainability master plan that focuses on regeneration and a positive impact. Offering innovative solutions for new needs. Taking care of ourselves and the people around us. And leading the energy transition in line with what we are, the biggest exclusively renewable-based utility in the world. We are living in a key age. We have the good fortune to be involved in the emergence of a new era of energy at world level. An era of cleaner, more resilient energy, more electrified, and fairer for all. In ACCIONA Energía, we will continue to be a reference point in this new economy that will regenerate the planet and make it a better place to live for everyone.